Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I'm bringing you a special Jeep Grand Cherokee. This in front of us is a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and you may be asking, why is it special? Well, for those of you wondering, you can see it's a little bit riding low, and you're gonna say, why is that? Well, because it is an armored Jeep Grand Cherokee. Yes, this is an unknown level of armoring, but armored all the same. And what did we do to this vehicle? We did the Starline S9 digital anti-theft system with smartphone control, GPS tracking, and ability to control via an app on your phone. So I'm just gonna demonstrate a few things. This is the Starline app. I'm just gonna arm it. So you can see there, the vehicle responded. I'm gonna disarm it. And what you can see, you've got the GPS coordinates on the map, so this does GPS tracking. And that yellow button there is for a feature that we like to call Safe Kill. And what is Safe Kill? Safe Kill is essentially a feature that if this vehicle were to be carjacked, the owner of the vehicle, provided they have their smartphone or access to the internet, would be able to safely give up the car and remotely shut the vehicle down. And the vehicle will only shut down at a safely set speed, and it's all controlled by the Starline S9 itself. So I'm just gonna go in here and I'm gonna demonstrate what the S9 is capable of doing. So the S9's main thing that it does is digital anti-theft. So I'm gonna get into the vehicle here. Just gonna make sure I got the vehicle key on me. Check out these windows. So here's the vehicle key. I'm gonna start it up. You're gonna see the vehicle starts right up. You may have heard those 3 beeps. That's basically the Starline prompting to enter the PIN code. Now, if I shift out of park, basically the vehicle shuts right down. Why did it shut right down? Well, it shut right down because I didn't have the customer's smartphone, I didn't have the S9 key tag, and I didn't enter the secure PIN code, which you enter through factory buttons on the steering wheel. So I'm just gonna demonstrate that again. I'm gonna just open the door to reset everything. I'm gonna restart the vehicle. You're gonna see the system allows the vehicle to start. Why? Basically because the vehicle has a factory remote start and we want to preserve that functionality. So we allow the vehicle to start, but as soon as you shift it out of park, the vehicle shuts down. And the premise being the thief will not be able to move the vehicle. So they'd be able to start the vehicle multiple times, but they would not be able to move it. So check this out. Armored windshield, armored windows, even armored cabin. It's all ballistically armored, both on the top of the vehicle, the lower portion, the doors, pretty much. This is an entirely bulletproof cabin. Pretty crazy to see that here in Toronto, but you know what? That's the state of where we live now. So, you know, it's one of those things where I just want to say that the Starline S9 is so secure. It's even secure enough for armored vehicles like this. If you or someone you know is interested in adding a Starline S9 digital anti-theft system to your vehicle, if you want to do a Starline GPS tracking system to your vehicle, whether it's armored or normal, we've got you covered here at Lockdown Security. Again, Starline S9, 4G LTE smartphone controlled system. I'm Jeff, coming to you from Lockdown Security. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.